8 from Juventus.
I think I'll have to censor that for the video. Good morning, guys. So, as you can see, it's another windy day here. Maciek wants to join the vlog as well. Maybe he'll be the new Enrico.
Don't forget about the hips.
The hips. So yeah, and well, maybe catapults will not lie today as well, because it's pretty windy. I think it's going to be around 30-35 knots on the course. We managed, if Gilly managed to set it up. Here in Tenerife, it's no easy task to do that with 2 meter plus waves crashing over the boat. So yeah, let's rig the small board and 6-2. Let's go. Without further ado, let's just go on the water and see what happens. Look, we have an Instagrammer in the wild. You can see him taking the picture of his food.
I'm not influencing nobody.
Oh, you could influence someone to wear a hat like that.
Number 8 from Juventus.
So, as you can see, guys, everyone is pretty excited about today's session, but also pretty tired. And I have Matteo running behind me, and hello.
With something later if you want. Mid-afternoon, chocolate or something.
Yeah, message me. So, got invited for chocolate with Matteo afterwards, or something else. We'll see what it is. For me, the first session was really hard. My equipment was not tuned at all. It was my first time with the 6.2 and the small board. Never used the 6.2 before, and I also took a 32 fin, which turns out is too small for me for that board, and the board was just completely unsettled. It was both lifting out of the water and spinning out, and I couldn't understand what was happening. And once I changed to a bigger fin, then the board started feeling more normal and I could start pushing a little bit. It was fun, so much fun, like seeing Matteo like one straight in front always. I'm taking the third mark, he's taking the fourth, and then when we pass we wave to each other. It was so much fun, huh? Especially when I had the wrong fin, like I was going slower than the turtles who are swimming around, and the flying fish, they're passing me double the speed. Bruno, so now 6.2 is a bit not enough, so you go 9.0 straight, huh?
Yeah, exactly. 6.2, 7.0 to 9.0.
To 9.0. How was the day?
It was quite nasty. We were in 6.2. Actually, the wind was okay, but was really choppy.
Yeah.
Then was dropping a little bit. Then we all go with the 7.0.
Everyone wants to hear the story about your last jibe on the outside.
I hit the chop with the nose of the board, and I just saw the stuff was flying 20 meters far from me. And
I just saw, I'm coming to the last mark, like 100 meters behind everyone, and I see a Michael Phelps swimming, and I'm like, what is he doing here? And then I'm like, oh, there's Bruno's gear as well.
yeah, it's kind of a new biathlon.
Biathlon of shame, no?
Yeah, exactly. Swimming and windsurfing.
Yeah, I'm not gonna film you myself eat, but enjoy the meal.
So yeah guys, that's about it for today. I just spent the rest of the day chilling at home, eating and relaxing, because tomorrow we have another training day. Hope you enjoyed this. Some racing, some talking with the guys on the beach, just basically how the day in Tenerife goes. So thanks for watching it, and make sure you press the like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Adios.